Welcome back. Today is day 8 of our road trip. And today may be the last day in the town. Let's do the cold start. Today is the last day because tomorrow we are going to the forest. And we are going to stay there for the days. Go for camping in the forest. And after that, our road trip will be finished. It means 3 days left in our trip. As I said, it will be of 12 days. But no worries. Today we have an existing plan. Because today we are going to attend the JDM, where all JDM cars will come. And we all together have fun. Today will be an existing day. Right now we are going home. Then we will park our car and take some rest. Because today is night, we can't sleep. It will be almost sunrise to come back home. So, we need to take rest first. Then we will attend the JDM night. Our rest is done. Right now we are going to wash SVJ. Because a dirty car looks bad. And there everyone brings clean cars. So we will also take clean car. A clean car makes a good impression. The only problem we have is that it's JDM night. And we are taking an Italian. That looks odd. Finally, our SVJ is clean. Let's go there. Already we are so much late. Everyone already arrived. Let's see what's going on. Finally, what's going on here got more than my Okay, you're fine. We are checking the dots at finally, our entry is done. It looks amazing. They made a spotlight at the dots and lighted it. Our radio stickers are let's park the cars down and check our as I see everyone. So, we will also do the same. Look at those modified every type of car built. And here you can see anything the car's engines off by opening the door. Here you can rev anyone's car. Look at this super engine. Let's rev it. It's crazy. Look here, one more super engine. exhaust sound. Now time to show off how and Italian is Let's rev. Oh, the best. Forget to engage them. Let's take some drums. Looking like a rainbow in the middle. Everything is perfect. So many cars. Time to show some drifting speeds. JDM is incomplete.
Emocional, mas vou de plantação. Vou viver a minha vida da ação. E na fonte dos tu casa. Te dá dia, não dá. Te dá dia, não dá.
Too much.
Te dá dia, não dá. Dos tu casa, tira dia, não
Like, share, comment, subscribe.